Hello viewers, you are specially welcome to today's tutorials where I'll be giving an answer to a particular question. This question is based on request from one of us here, so I decided to give the answer here so that every other person can benefit from it. The question has to do with the difference between body spray and perfume. So if this is something you are interested in, kindly give me 4 minutes of your time, as I would be sharing with you 5 outstanding points how this product differs. So let's get started. Perfumes and body spray are both fragrant products, but they are actually different in various ways. Number 1, fragrance oil concentration. 2, application. 3, purpose. 4, longevity. And lastly, price. Now let's look at this 5 points one after the other. The first point is about the fragrance oil concentration. In other words, the concentration of fragrance oil in your production. Are they always the same? The answer is no. To produce an ideal perfume, you need 15 to 30% of fragrance. 15% if you are using essential oil, and 30% if you are using fragrance oil for your production, while body spray requires just 1 to 3% of fragrance. Okay? The second point is application. This simply means the method of application, how these products are meant to be applied. Perfumes are applied on specific areas or the pulse points, such as the wrist and the neck, as shown in this video, while body spray are meant to be sprayed all over the body or on the clothes after dressing up. Now the third point, which is purpose. On what purpose are you using these products? Perfumes are designed to keep you smelling nice and fresh throughout the day, while body sprays are designed for a quick refreshing fragrance boost just for a moment. A quick fragrance boost just for a moment. Point number 4, longevity. This simply means how long does each of this product last when used. Perfumes last between 6 to 12 hours depending on the type of perfume, while body spray lasts between 2 to 4 hours. So take notes. The last point is price. The price of these products are not always the same. Perfumes are generally more expensive, while body spray are less expensive. So with these 5 points, I believe I've been able to clear the air. I've been able to give you the difference between perfume and body spray or body mist. Once again, before I end this video, do note that in the production of perfume, your fragrance oil should be 30% of the total amount of alcohol used. So see you in my next video, and kindly give this video a thumbs up. Bye for now.